Hey guys, and welcome to day one of Vlogmas, which is super exciting. I'm kind of using today as a little bit of a cheat day slash like introductory to what I'm about to do. I got a couple questions about Vlogmas. Is it focused on me? I feel like it's gonna wanna keep focusing it on the tree. But I got a couple questions about Vlogmas that I kind of wanted to address for this first one. And really the very first like actual like vlog will start tomorrow. But I got a couple questions asking, A, what is Vlogmas? So basically Vlogmas has been around for a long time, and if you haven't really watched YouTube, or if you're just kind of now getting into YouTube, you might not know what Vlogmas is. But basically Vlogmas is you vlog every single day up until Christmas. So yes, I will be posting one video every single day all the way from today to December 25th, which is going to be very hectic, very busy, considering I also work another job on top of doing YouTube, but it's totally going to be worth it, and I'm really excited and I'm up for the challenge. The next question that I got was, what kind of videos can we expect? So I have a lot of videos up my sleeve, but you can still expect the same type of videos, just, you know, they're just going to be in a mass quantity within a very short amount of time. So you could still expect drive with me's, like a Christmas playlist, like going like Christmas room decor shopping, like, you know, a room transformation, still like I said, still videos like I would normally make, but they're all going to pretty much be like holiday inspired, if that makes sense. The next question that I got is, will you post the Thursday and the Sunday after Christmas? Because if you didn't know, so Christmas is on a Tuesday, and then technically in the month of December, there is, you know, still a Thursday and a Sunday right after it, and then it goes into January. As of right now, yes, I am still planning on posting on that Thursday and that Sunday, but we'll see how I feel after Vlogmas is over. Will we get to meet your family during Vlogmas? To be honest, probably not. My family really just doesn't like to be on camera, or if I do get to have them on camera, a lot of times the lighting is really bad. So the house that I live in, so this is my apartment, but the house that I actually live in is just like all wooden walls, like wooden everything, which really brings out a lot of yellow and red tones. So like the lighting is just always so terrible, and like we're all just like orange on camera. So if I can get them out of the house and at a different setting, maybe you guys might see them in camera. But as of right now, we'll just have to see, and I'm not making any promises. What time will you post your vlogs each day? That I have no idea at all. Just because it's gonna be crazy. Like I might not even finish that day's vlog until like 7 p.m. So I don't 100% know. I'm even still debating on, do I still post, like usually on Thursdays I post around like either 5 or 6, and then on Sundays I post more towards the morning-ish, like usually around like maybe like 11 a.m., something like that. So I'm kind of debating on, do I keep like Monday through Friday posting at 5 p.m. and then on the weekends I post like a little bit earlier? I actually like truly just, I don't know as of right now. You'll honestly just have to turn on my post notifications and make sure that you hit the always notify me when like Courtney posts a video, and not sometimes, or actually I think it's like occasionally, because if you post occasionally, you might only get like one notification a week. And the last question that I got was, can we send in video requests? Absolutely. It's 25 videos within a very short amount of time, and if I do decide to still post on that Thursday and Sunday after Christmas, that is going to be 27 videos in 1 month, which is going to be insane. So yes, please send me video requests. You can leave them down in the comments down there if you want. By the way, I am not in a blazer. Like this looks so professional. It's actually just like this long coat. It's super cute. I love it. It's super cozy. Sorry, that was a little bit off topic, but I just wanted to go ahead and tell you that so you didn't think I was like being all professional in this like introductory video. But yeah, so like I said, leave your video requests down below if you want to see anything or if you have any really cool ideas. I'm totally open to everything. Actually, some of you already gave me some really awesome video ideas while we were on Instagram Live. But yeah, so leave your video requests down below. And if you aren't already, be sure to go ahead, hit that subscribe button so that you know every single time I post a new video. There's gonna be probably a lot of notifications, but it's totally worth it. It's gonna be so much fun. So I hope that you guys follow along with my Vlogmas experience, and I will see you guys, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, bye.